so he is 17 there. Do it. You can. I'm not against. I will say, could also just retweet the one here, but it's more people on. Whatever you guys do. I will say we posted on X a link that we're live to the whatever. Go drop a comment below that. Giving the stream a like will also help getting this shown to more people. YouTube algo likes that. We went from 41 to 53 likes. Shout out.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, I don't know if it's. Did I link it?
Shout out Dole.
I've had over 3K tune into it on the X. And then
Yes, you linked it, Paper. Yes,
I did.
Side.
Yep, I got it. I see it. You're live.
What is up, YouTube? YouTube. Paper Games YouTube.
I'm live.
I'm just gonna sit here and delete this kimchi, honestly.
I'd like to see us get a little more follow through here. I don't like this like sideways chop. Like if we're gonna break this area and to go to highs, like we need to accelerate.
All right, hold up, Paper live treating. TBD. It's Friday.
It is Friday.
I don't mind linking this every now and then.
Whoa.
If you wanted to throw your screen up, Paper, just let me
My
know.
screen?
Feel free.
Oh no,
If you wanted
that's
to.
the saucy stuff.
Yeah, the parrot stream goes crazy. Got some people in there. Shout out Dolev. Oh yeah, Mikey B. Shout out Justin City.
It's feeling a little fadey at the highs, but we'll see.
Oh, dude, I need these.
Dude, Microsoft really needs to save itself. Honestly,
I still think this
that thing
market
looks
is not
like
going to
wild.
stop going straight up until the ES6 is high.
These are hangers for your shirt that look like Geodude from Pokemon. I definitely need those.
Mita 655 prior month low. Still stuck.
I have prior month low at 637.55.
637. Why is my thing saying this?
I don't know. That's just what the Lux Algo indicator says.
Oh, Lux. That is accurate.
That would be
The low of this month as well.
yes. Your daily 9 and 21 is right up here at.
Oh, my
just
thing
shy
is
of
toggling.
25.
Why is it doing that?
Toggle.
Now it went away. Was that 659 prior month high? No.
All right, I'm about to take a small little intraday trim here on the Mita calls. We're approaching that 655, your daily EMAs here. The calls are at $630 here. Yay.
Tessie tagged the 50 again from the lows. Amazon
Looking.
246 pre-market highs. I'll show the sauce. Come to the server.
All right, filled. Extra little cash just to lock something in. Your tick coming down a little bit.
Dude.
The thing is if Paper gives the sauce without actual context, the sauce
Doesn't work.
doesn't matter.
Right.
And
Help
that's
me-
with
help
any
me
strategy.
understand.
There's no There's no safe way that's gonna save you. There's no strategy. There's no
Like,
way
I
of
got
thinking
$100
that's gonna
You have
save
to
you.
go
What to
learn
buy?
what's the ingredients to make this sauce.
No
That's what you gotta
strategy,
go
no
learn.
way of thinking in the market is gonna save you. It's
Jordy,
all gonna come down to your risk
What's
still.
the
I just want to
ingredients?
know if the depot is going to get to the 200-day today.
The depot? The Home
Yeah.
Depot?
You
Bro.
seen this reversal these last couple days?
Bro, I've seen. Yeah, why? Every time I can't look at HD and not think of paper. Like instantly, I look at HD and it's just paper.
Home builders are on fire today.
It's cooking. Look at this
Dude,
weekly. Ah!
that's what I'm saying. It's like, holy shit.
Caterpillar's
Wait,
about to make
whoa.
new all-time highs if it can continue. It almost did. I think it did it miss it by like a penny. Let me see.
That's gnarly.
Yeah, less than $1 on Caterpillar.
Biddy's still stuck. Dollar climbing. Wasn't gold going up?
Look at Toll Brothers, ticker TOL.
Yeah.
This thing's in a huge squeeze. Looks like a giant cup and handle on your weekly right now.
Dude, this gold and dollar, like, it's just so detached. I mean, debasement bullshit. not what this is. This is something
issue.
whole different.
With TOL is the options.
iDubbbz. Come on.
All-time high. On RTY at least.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I might have to close this today.
Is what's Nvidia doing? Is it finally starting to do something? No.
No.
This thing is still
We
consolidating.
ain't doing nothing.
Tessie chilling near the high.
I mean, Nvidia, actually, I just pulled it up. It's going to try. Dude, it's stuck. It's stuck like Meta stuck. But with the 50 above it. That's really stuck. Possibly swing it, but intraday.
Google has never been over 4 trillion, right?
Google?
Yeah, because it's right there right now.
No,
And
I
I'm
don't
going to
think
say
so.
it for the first time ever, but I think it is the first time.
Is Google making new all-time highs right now?
What? It overtook Apple.
Let's see. Almost new all-time high Google.
It's weird. It overtook Apple, and the stock market news account didn't even like tweet that out or tell anyone.
Dude,
I did.
this stock market news account had some really wild kind of like viral moment the other day on some Larry whatever house. Like, yo, what is going on right now?
Yeah, that was pretty wild. Evan.
I feel like he
why it
set
went
that up,
viral?
dude. I'm not sure if he added that image in there after the fact or what, but
No, that was actually in the Wall Street Journal.
no
I
way,
did not,
dude. No
I did
shot.
not see paper. I did not see that when I posted it.
Are
And
you in the
I
bathroom
looked
right
back
now?
and I was like, why is this going viral? I thought it was just going viral because people were like, oh, billionaires are moving from California to Miami. And then I saw the quote retweet when it was at like 2.2 million views. I was like, all right, what's happening? And I was oh, wow.
Next thing you know, it's like 6 million views or some shenanigans. I'm like, holy crap.
Yeah, what a gooner.
Literally. Yeah. Larry Page, I have no idea if that comes with the house or not. Wall Street Journal did remove it from the article, though.
Huh.
I'm just curious where Wall Street Journal got that picture from.
Like,
Oh,
that
wow.
really makes you think, though, right? Like, what? Like, that's really his house? Is that the deal? Because, like, what's happening there?
Yeah, who's this previous owner?
No, that's the current owner,
We
right?
did get a dip, by the way. But
Well, is it the one that's selling to him?
I mean,
Can you imagine the listing just had that online too?
that's what I'm saying.
Just on Zillow. it's on Remax's website.
Dude, I'm long Zillow for sure then, if that's the new marketing scheme.
Izzy, I was talking about that dip from that first push to the high. We dipped almost 80 points in NQ, by the way.
This
I didn't say that was-
7,000 whole number on ES is being a problem, but other than that, everything looks good.
I see no reason to stop
Bro, what?
until yeah.
I just rolled Oscar for calls, so I sold 20s for January 23rd.
I just need some biscuits and gravy, boy.
Oh, that's
I sold
That sounds good.
Oscar for next week. $20 calls.
Nice. Yeah, I just did the. It wouldn't let me do next week because I was already in that, so I had to go an extra week. But it is what it is.
What was there news on CoreWeave there on that major volume?
I don't think so. No.
Look at that Mita trim right at the freaking daily moving averages on the retest. What the meaty smack candle?
What are we watching on your screen right now, Jordy?
Thank you. Just NQ with. And I imagine that there's a lot of traders that trade like me that are trying to short the shit out of NQ here, which may or may not work. But the problem is ES still has left liquidity to take here, so I don't think it's stopping until this is high.
Yeah, 626s.
We don't need to take that high on NQ, but if ES, I mean, I think we've ran through.
What is
gap.
625? Oh, 625 QQQ. I have as a prior break also.
I just have no order flow telling me that we should reject here on ES and go lower, which means I think we continue to the high no matter what NQ is doing here, which would result in us kind of.
Are you in a trade right
running
now?
Through this now. I was in some spreads. I was in an Iron Condor. I got out of it.
When Netflix 85?
Netflix 83 to 85. That's the spot.
Yeah, I mean, I've had the alert set for a minute. Just take it down.
Actually, I was kind of pissed off this morning, Paper, because I missed entry on a nice long, but
yeah, I'd be with you. I'm not.
This is the
I'm
long I
really-
was looking at.
Yeah.
Was just once we closed over that, all I needed was this candle to close a bit higher, and I would have been in. But since it didn't close, I didn't
Will
get
you
it.
zoom like
and
way,
then this
way
next
out?
candle rips and closes above. But now the risk to reward for what I was targeting was negative.
No,
and so I
I'm
just
with
didn't
you
take
right
it.
now. Throw on a 4-hour chart.
On
and then
Qs
zoom
or
out.
NQ?
Yeah, that's fine. Zoom, 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 zoom. Out.
Oh, zoom out.
Yeah, and then tag those highs. Give me array. Array.
It could be a
Array?
long right here.
Array.
Yeah.
You need a array.
Brent,
Yeah. Tag that, then tag that. Boom. Yep. Cool.
That's what you're looking at.
And then
Brent just put in the chat. VIX back under 15.
and then that last from the November or January lows, the very last one
January lows here.
to the Jan highs. Grab me a fib from that low.
Oh, you want a fib? Hold on.
Yeah. Fib, Jan low to Jan high, kabam. And then
There's your
move that
50%.
right. Yep, that's what it is.
Yep.
And I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, we're here, but exactly look at that, right? You're right there.
I agree.
Easily go either way. Like I see the retest, it's there. You throw a 20 and a 50-day SMA on, they're gonna line up to that 50%.
Exactly. Paper, it's funny. The way I see this too, it's like the same thing. I mean, when I'm looking at the markets, I mean, if we're going to reverse, great. I don't see us reversing just from a consolidation area like this, right? And so we opened up the year. We had that gap. We backtested that. I was looking at this on NDX because on NDX it's better. But long story short, I don't see us having an inside year, which means I expect us to hold that gap and continue into all-time highs. And then with that, again, it's just like the structure you're saying. There's really no reason we don't go take these, in my opinion, until something actually hits.
Jordan, can you do me a small favor? Could you do like a command plus, make it just a tiny bit bigger?
Is it really small?
Just I know there's a balance between what's comfortable for you and then stream, but you don't.
I mean, I'm not trading, so it's fine. I
Yeah,
just
that
like
makes
I can't
sense.
read anything like this, but
Huge.
oh, this is ugly.
Shout out to Jarrett. He went over to Paper's stream. Give the stream a like. Wherever you're watching, even if you're KC's here, give the stream a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button, get notified whenever we're live.
Oh, they're waking up.
Oh, who's that? Someone outside?
So you're gonna get another retest of that trend line here, Jordy. Did you lock that to your screen? Oh, you should keep it on there. That trend line that you put.
I can there you go. Now it's there.
How come it's that low?
All right, crew. I've got to pack up and head out to go take care of some stuff. Hope you have a great,
Sounds good, everyone.
profitable rest of your Friday.
I'm gonna kick back and just eat my kimchi.
Kimchi.
We appreciate you, Em.
Sitting in longs is all I'm doing.
Wow,
Later,
that's-
Gator.
That's words I never thought Ryan would ever say.
Looking at Nebius, waiting for y'all to talk about the tariffs, or talk about Nebius. Nebius.
Nebius.
Or the tariffs.
We talked about tariffs. There's no. They're
Nebius.
not
Yeah,
making the
they
decision
delayed it
today.
till the
Listen,
14th.
Wednesday,
Nebius.
14th.
Looks good. I got my Leap debit spread, which is way the freaking frack out of the money, but over the 20, over the 50. Where's Will? Will look at
Right
this at an
Yeah.
equivalent from a equivalent technician's perspective and be like, bearish to bullish potential.
What are you in? MBIS, you said?
Nebius, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I like this back over the 50. What spread are you in?
Oh, dude, I don't think you want to know.
Way out of the money.
Way out of the money.
So if I was trading
But
this on the
super long.
daily, I would like. I don't know what this. How are the options in here? Are they decent?
No, so that's why it's really hard. They're the opposite of decent.
The spreads are really wide. Let me look real quick just for. I'm just curious.
2027, 150, 200 called debit.
What did you sell the 200s for though?
I don't know. The spread itself was like 500.
So if you're that, so what's-
500
what's-
for a $5,000 max pick. Like, but
let me look at this. I want to check this out for a
alright,
second.
fine.
Yep.
I'll share. I can share this one. That's fine.
Side note,
No,
we
you're-
were talking about Fetty Wap the other day, and I said, isn't he in prison? He actually just got released early from prison, 14 hours ago or something. So he's out.
I don't know if I can see.
Well, there's Evan. I see him. Anyways,
That's funny. We were actually talking
Smooth,
about
you did not miss giveaway.
I know.
can do
So I was
that
like,
soon,
we were
probably.
just talking about Fetty.
it's right here. So like, if we can get back up to, I think we can at least get back into here. This
Okay.
area, right?
Yeah.
This is a fib retracement from this swing high to the swing low. This is our text emit because he wanted Nebius, but he got the text. I never got him to get this text. But the thing is, if this happens, and this is just a giant consolidation, so I'll go from here. Oh my goodness, lock here to whatever, and it's an extension, and we do break out. Kablamo! It is 200.
So
If
okay.
this ends up being the consolidation,
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
it,
Yeah. I
Nick.
got you.
so there's the debit.
Yeah.
spread.
So it's
That's the trade.
so Mike. Okay. Let me look
Like
at this
so.
real quick. I want to look at the. And you said you're in the what expiration? The Jan.
Now we want
27
saucy sauce. 2027.
So they're $3 wide.
It's $10 or $50 wide.
No, 50. I'm just looking at the spreads in there.
Oh yeah, you can't really mess around with it. You just got to let it be.
That's like the highest strike in there.
It is, dude. But I have it as a measure to, and I'm like 22 risk reward fine. We shall see.
Why not? Why not?
He says. Why not?
No, so I'm just looking at how it would. So really, the spread though, it's a $7. Would you put it on for $5-6 debit?
5. So that's that. So that was the thing because at the time, at least I had 50 days of sideways price action on Nubia.
Yeah.
Option IV was pretty low. But coming into this, look at this freaking chart. This whole time, it wasn't that low. But this whole move, dude, if you've been trading vol or options and premiums, were absolutely like just wild. Like didn't make sense wild. So I needed to have it at least go sideways.
So here's probably what I would do. I mean, if I was in this trade, how I would trade it is manage this position for me. I would probably start selling puts on the monthly cycles to cut the debit to 0 so that trade becomes free. So you have no debit. You get rid of that $5. So if you sell like what is the 75s probably? I'm just looking at you go out 35 days, start selling the 75s for $2 or something.
Yeah, that's a lot of margin though. I just didn't want to add risk, and I'll probably end up trimming up in here 110s.
But you see what I'm saying from a trade structure. Like when you look at that profile, I'd feel probably more secure at 75. But what I would do is if I'm in longer, like I did this with some of the Chinese stocks last year, is I just kept selling puts on the monthly cycles and I had longer dated calls and call spreads. So eventually my calls just became free. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I had no risk in the trade.
No, I do the same thing, just differently without adding margin.
Okay, gotcha.
Or adding risk, if you will.
Yeah, sure.
But just multi lots and trim.
Okay.
Look at iDubbbz. Good night. 270s was here. 275. I mean, it's a pretty chart. January is January.
Are the TSLL $21 covered calls from last week for January 9th? They are expiring today for 100% full profit. Nice
Just waiting
and
for
easy.
this. Oh, 286. I mean, we could see 286. Do I need to roll my IWM calls? I wonder what.
What strike? What are you in? What strikes?
March 270s.
Are you in a spread or you got them outright?
No, straight up. I don't need a spread on this one. If we're in an active breakout, I have increasing vol.
How we doing,
I don't know if I mean, you could roll them. I don't know if I'd roll them yet.
I don't. Yeah, that's what I'm like. Probably take profits as this goes and then just reload. But I was doing that on the depot.
Yeah, just rolling up.
I took depot calls here, 349 the other day, like here. And instantly day one, you're like up 50%, but I'm looking at this 50 and I'm like, I couldn't get out really. And then as it's closing, I'm like, oh man, this is like looking reversally, but at least it's still on prior day high. And I look at it in the morning. In the morning, it's like down below the 20. I'm like, I'm just gonna let it breathe, don't do nothing. And then I blink and like whoop, we're like up and to the right. Here we go. Wild. Go from down like 40% to up 140% in a day.
Let's just retest on Amazon here. Let's go for a little bouncy bounce.
You see Intel?
Oh yeah, I had $40 calls that went berserk.
I'm like, dude, is this really like the Intel chart? Looks better than all the mags. Like, what is that?
You know, it's funny. Not ready to talk about it too deep yet, but we have this little thing where we're testing politicians and how they're outperforming the market.
Ooh.
The best portfolio on here is the Trump administration one being carried by Intel.
Yeah, well, I mean, look at this. It's at. I mean, it's there. You remember when you guys had all those calls that went to zero, and then, like, if it had been longer.
New high a day SPY.
Come on.
Nice pop on Amazon as well. Off that retest, 245.6. Went back up to previous day high.
Oh man, I just looked at that. That's kind of gross. That's today. Yo,
You think they run this up to 7,000? Could they do it?
I
ES is not
not
stopping
They
until
could.
that high gets taken. I want 7,006.70.
I'd like 7,000 even. Just pin it right there.
dude.
Please
Look at
pin it.
lows, baby.
Yeah, this long is cooking. I'm not in one, but I'm saying like to move up.
When in Vita. Oh shit.
This is why any shorts in this hourly fair value gap on NQ aren't fucking working. It's because ES has liquidity to take still.
It's
This is how
NFT.
you see those failed moves before they even happen.
Look at these net flows. Jesus. Like the Qs, QQQ, NASDAQ, it was like up and then down. down.
Oh my goodness, this weekly freaking chart is on fire. You know, I love the store too. It's a great store.
What's your fair value, Jordy? Was it here?
On NQ, it's on an hourly.
Like
It
right here?
runs from 839 to 888. What are you showing? Let me see on QQQ actually, because I can just go.
So QQQ, it's literally here.
Yeah, so on Q it was 625.30s to
80s.
624.22s.
I
That
have it.
hourly range.
Like
So-
ping right there.
So initially, when I look at that, I have to look short out of that. But
I mean, you got short.
when you're
And it-
looking out of
High
that, I mean,
all-time
yeah, you
high
could have
test.
scalped. But I'm looking for like real reversal move, right? And so
No, yeah, like I have this like here, right? And then it pulls back down.
yeah,
But that pull back down. That's why I was like, on yours,
you got to
it
be
didn't-
quick on that, right? You got to scalp that.
Yeah, but look, this trend line for me on mine, maybe it's because of the way that futures are. That's what
It's just the way that futures are. Yeah.
Yeah.
If I draw it on QQQ, it'll line up with you.
it's almost exact.
Yeah.
Which I was like, that's why I was like, put it on.
It's also just for me like ES, the correlated asset. It's like, okay, that hourly gap would have actually been something sufficient for me if ES was also in some sort of gap
That's
or
gross
order flow,
right
but
there.
it just wasn't. Or if it already taken the highs that I'm looking at, but it just doesn't, and there's nothing in between us and the highs, so I have to be like,
Yeah.
there's no short here, not yet, because even though NQ looks like it can do it, the correlated asset that arguably
then we can go
runs with
to
NQ every time is
The
not.
next one, 420, 626 here
Yeah,
today. But I just like, it's right there on the
High
keys.
new all-time high.
Son of a biscuit.
oh wow, SPY.
They're gonna run. I think they're gonna run this thing to 7K.
Yeah. I had a bet with my buddy the next time that we were on Technical Tuesday, we would be over 7,000. And he graciously kept delaying the next Technical Tuesday. So I think I'm going to win.
I will say, once ES takes this high, the narrative on the bigger time frame is still bullish to ES's all-time high. I know it's the contract, so SPY's already there, but next
Just-
level on ES would be 7,015. So the higher time frame narrative doesn't.
Come on, run it up. I need to run it up like 20, 25 points from here. Just run it up there. Let's go.
I just posted the before and after on lows. You're getting that weekly move all the way back up here. I mean, if it gets continuation to 270, absolutely insane. But 50% retracement, that swing low, swing high, amazing entry down there at 240. Ripper. Honeywell, yeah.
I feel like CoreWeave lately, paper has been such a great mover.
Is it going to be good or just horrible? I'm kind of scared to look, honestly.
I think the past few days, like the past few weeks, it's like had some great intraday moves just because of how much in percentage it moves. It's been like in a range, but it's, I mean, day tradable for sure.
Yeah. So I see. I'll just go. This is near term real quick. Almost, not quite. I think it could get slapped again. Let me pull it back. So 64 from that IPO pop.
SPY 694 is in the money. Let's go in.
Yeah, to like 90s maybe, right? Where your resistance is. Now you have this. Daily. Yeah, there's that value area low on that consolidation. But I don't know that it's ready. I don't think it's going to go down yet. What is that? We'll have to call Jose.
Yeah, so close.
When is CoreWeave report? Feb 12th. I mean, so this one for sure could have a pre-earnings run up.
And have you guys put money on the game today, Oregon versus Indiana? That's a Paper and Ryan question around there. Maybe Casey.
Big Ten.
Casey's dipping into that. And I Evan, are you doing that? You want to do that?
Not after a Vegas trip.
Not after Vegas.
Dude, our
I would go to
sports
Indiana.
channel has been absolutely insane right now. I guess it's like a 2-week ripper of like nonstop W's. Oh my shit, my Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Yeah, CoreWeave.
SPY calls coming in for January 23rd here. Large sizes.
84. I mean, I see a bunch of Will's $100 February calls for CoreWeave, but that's about it. He's putting through it 400 right now. That looks fine.
CoreWeave. Come on, let's run this up another 10 handles. 20.
I mean, Q still has a way to go until it makes an all-time high, right?
Yeah.
Q's got a lot of filling up to do, but we are now breaking the triangle, no doubt.
Plenty of time.
Why is Evan tagged Jordan? Because we're all on the same account. I changed him.
Oh yeah, CoreWeave is firing this freaking squeeze, trying to get out of that box. I mean, it's out of the box. It's hitting previous week high. I think it's above it by like 25 cents right here on this candle. Average squeeze is firing upside right now.
330.
A lot of call flow on that yesterday before the close.
Yes, just edging that 7,675. Once we get above that, I expect us to just keep slow grinding into the all-time high for ES.
Dude,
but
silver,
you might see some initial
$80.40.
Silver insane.
Silver is just crazy. Silver, I mean, what's this thing going to go to? 100? 150?
No more than that.
200?
I took it out.
500?
I took it out of the depends. It could reverse right here.
Holy APP 650. No freaking way.
Dude, they're screwing up this RBRK chain. Contracts a breaky.
Those calls are going to go in the money.
86 will.
What's up? What were you saying?
86 if we can hold over 73.
What is silver?
Mm-hmm. 86
Are you on the futures or SLV? What are you on?
SLV. I mean, silver futures would probably be something similar.
Yeah, I mean,
87 futures. Oh,
yeah,
dude,
something
futures
like
are already
that.
there. Futures are holding it. Shit.
Yeah,
me.
futures are there. So yeah, on an
Okay.
extension, yeah.
87. What? That's 125, dude.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, on the daily, like you're holding the 9 here. So if we continue to push,
So we go 1, 2, full
yep.
extension is 87. 3, 125. There should be.
I mean, 120. I think 125 in that parabolic type move, you're going to get some retracement.
Oh, dude, you can get retracement right here, right now. If you don't get
sure.
87.
I mean, the
It would be
nine
68.
period weekly is all the way down at 66. That's a
So like silver
stretch.
cannot lose 68 for me. Period. End of story. At this point, otherwise, beeline to the pawn shop.
So if you look at gold real quick, and you see when we ran up in gold on the weekly, go to the weekly chart.
I'll just go. How's monthly?
Well, I want to look. Well, if you go to the weekly, just so you can see the run from like the most recent one, like in September when we ran up to like just shy of 44.
Dude, gold
pulled right back to that weekly 9. So I think silver probably does something similar.
Oh, I don't use weeklies estimates, but it's the 20-day right there is what you're talking about. 20-day estimate. I do use I use dailies. So weekly 9, 20 daily 20.
Same thing.
Same thing. But yeah, in this more recent consolidation here, every little move for sure. 403 holds. 1, 2. I mean, it's got to get through 430s, but it would be in the 445s if it does that.
Yeah, I mean,
this is
it's had such a big. It's just had such a big run. You got to be careful that thing doesn't get washed out somewhere because it'll probably happen.
Yeah.
Just like it was a couple years ago when Nat Gas ran to $10. It was insane. All of a sudden, it was vertical, and then Nat Gas goes from $10 to friggin' $2, down 80%.
Copper all-time high too.
Yeah, that's the other one. HG futures, HG. Although on the weekly it did wick above that $6 level, then pull back.
I mean, it's super similar.
Yes, it is. All the metals. I mean, you go platinum, palladium,
DBB, base metal fund, Invesco. This is not what's wrong with this? Do you know this one? DBB ETF.
TVD.
DBB.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, that's going to the high as an ETF. 37s. That's not bad.
Yeah, I mean, you got to look for kind of some like pullback retracements in there when they get these overbought. I mean, you can obviously buy the pullbacks. So
is my hoodie alive? No shot.
Robinhood, is that what you said?
Yeah. No, it's not. No shot.
It looks Yeah, I mean, I don't like the downward
It
slope
doesn't
at
look good.
50. At 124.70, you got the downward slope at 50. That 50 for the last month went sideways, and now it's going down.
Yeah,
and it's still
You
below
know,
the daily,
it
below
is.
the daily 9, below the daily 21 EMA, and
It's
below
risky.
50.
She's at risk.
You have a triangle there that's forming. If you take the most
Like
on the daily,
I have like this chart on like hot, like memorized, like a all of it.
Yeah. I think you just build out this triangle. Honestly, I mean, I don't know when the earnings are.
NQ's breaking
If you could
920s.
do,
ES just took out that high I've been looking for at 7,675 now. I want to see us go to
Let's
the all-time
go.
high on the contracts.
Oh shit!
But you could see some rejection initially from this. I just don't think it really reverses us because there's no
we've had a lot of rejection up here.
There's no gaps. There's no order flow up here that would deliver us anywhere.
For
right?
Anybody get in this butterfly?
resistance from Wednesday right here coming up. The
I got this
627,
butterfly market for
628.
95 cents.
Just sweeping that high is not going to be enough for me.
You do have a gap fill on QQQ above Wednesday high. If it does push over 628, the gap fill is a few pennies shy of that 630 psych level. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just do a slow grind higher, go up to Wednesday's high, diddle around, retest EMAs, and then just again slow grind higher. Eventually go fill that gap and hit 630 on Qs, whether it's today or Monday.
Oh, we're almost at the 200 on my HD Easy. 372. Jesus. Okay. Can you trim it? 5 minutes later.
Costco? What's going on over there right now? Costco. Gosh dang. Strong weekly candle. Daily coming right back into resistance from December 3rd. That high up there. Hit it yesterday, wick down, closed under. Now you're testing it again. Daily so far. Nice candle above it. So
Testing on the 50 still. Q's is, I mean, she's right there. Right there. Can she get to it? There's that heavy imbalance.
This looks like just a
I
moment.
think I'm just gonna sit back and let it do whatever it wants
Just
to
let
do.
it, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Trump is looking to increase home construction in the U.S.
I was looking at a 4 hours the daily.
Yeah.
Happens.
Jordy, you like my new chart? This
15
interval is
second.
pretty. Yeah, this interval is money for.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
I use a 30-second from time to time for specific
listen,
entries.
well, Will was trying to tell me 15 second was way too low, and I should drop down to the 1.
I've
1 second. That's
right here.
I've
This
used
one.
15-second before.
This is the 1 second.
listen. If I'm on the 1 second, I need to take a Xanax because I have too much anxiety.
Here's the thing. It's very rare, but
You're like, there's a 1 second chart. Yeah.
it's very rare, but I'll take a position off of one of those time frames if there's no other gaps in a leg of manipulation that I'm looking to enter on. That is on if there's no higher time frame gaps than that, then I'll take it on a 30-second. But 9 times out of 10, when I'm looking at a leg of price action that I think is manipulation, then I want to see us run back through it and enter. Majority of the time, it's not going to be that way, right? It's
my opinion is if I'm coming into it like we were this morning when we came down to that first level that I was talking about in ES, like I'll flip to the 1 minute just to see what the price action looks like on the 1 minute as we come down, but I don't go anything shorter than that. And I
always look for like the highest time frame inverse because that's my entry that I can find. And
Yeah.
most of the time that's going to be like on the 1 or 5 for like what I'm trading. But shit, there was last week I took a 30-second entry, and it paid. It's beautiful. So
I leave everything below a minute to the computer.
depends.
Yeah, 5 minute, 15 minutes, good to look at. I do like if you're looking for more like during the week, like what I would say weekly, which is those trend lines that I drew this morning in ES. I drew that on the hourly just to give you some more context from a couple days, and those are really good areas to support. But I think this ES right here is the high from Wednesday, correct? Yeah.
Which one?
706 700 is the high from
Wednesday futures
in ES. Yes, in futures.
Yep.
I don't have the sub for that. Mine is going to be delayed.
On the data.
707. Yeah.
Yeah, 7006.75 is Wednesday's high on ES.
On NQ, it's about 26,000. Like 25,996 or whatever.
Tempted to do. Let me do so. All right, I gotta go back to the Vanquish for some more fun.
Yeah, NQ not taking Wednesday's high. ES is.
Do I do like this, like an inside move? This is gonna be kind of wild, but I might do it for a little day trade.
So again, a lot of people that are trading like me might be looking at this going, "Oh, Jordan, there's SMT at this high. We're taking out highs on ES and we're not in NQ."
We can. It's
but
NFP day. Dude, this is
the problem
10%
is
in 3 days on the DeFi.
There's just no order flow. Where are you delivering from?
Just let it go. Let it go. Oh shit. Tessie, what are you doing? What are you actually doing, Tessie? On the 50? Get out of here.
Yeah, it's right against the 50.
Like on
40,
it.
44 and change, right?
Yeah. It's actively right here.
Fill me, come on.
This is full, no? Mostly full. 450. Shh. What do we do here?
Push.
Depot. Good night. Nvidia, no love. Dude, what is SCHD? SCHD is what, Schwab? I knew it. Oh, that's an equity. No, it's dividend. It's a dividend one. Okay, you know what?
If we get a little mini pullback off this high. A couple points, maybe a scalp.
We're pulling back, but if you are looking for the full reversal, I don't think we get it personally from here. But
how about that?
Are you talking on ES or NQ?
Yeah, on ES so far right now, just because again, like even though we're sweeping this high,
let's see HD.
Yeah, I just wanted
just
to
a
see
high that we're delivering
3%.
from. I have no gap. I have no nothing. That's like.
I just think like against that level, that high, you could probably scalp 2-3 points in ES out of that 0675, something like that's what I was looking for.
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe you come back to 70150. Maybe there's 5 points there.
Yeah, Schwab. This dividend fund tells me it's like broadening. Cash cows. Yeah, for sure. What is OSS? One stop system. This is a Vishal name. You need to do some DD. OSS is stock talk. Vishal. Well, where's Evan?
They bought that right back up.
Evanito is. I don't know if he's backstage still.
This is.
Yeah, there is options in ES. You have to have the
What the fuck?
you have to have a separate approval with your broker for futures options. It's a different agreement. So if you don't have futures options, check with your broker because you do need to get it turned on. It's a separate piece because the leverage is different. The requirements are different for futures options.
This is
And they're
hard.
really
though.
illiquid.
50 0 DTEs from open. Jeez. Yeah, that's gnarly. Careful.
I don't know OSS.
LRCX.
Oh my god, I can't even talk about this company. It's $200 million market cap. You're gonna get me in trouble. Realty income.
I like real estate for this year if we do get some
I love
rates
it.
in the back half.
Yeah,
Real estate's
I'm like
been one of the most beat up sectors.
builder's
Yeah.
first horse. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this candle today. Kabam. So this one, if you want to do like home builders also, this guy off the lows, I mean, that is a massive candle. What is that? This stock never moves. 10% today. Wow.
That's wild.
That is a $13 billion company moving 10% today on the home builder resurgence. Good night. How's my high dollar stock? Not doing that great. It's fine. NVR. If you want a $10,000 stock, have at it. This is the one. RH over the 200, 215. We got to hold. This is critical. The other guys, QXO. I don't know about this one. It's super small.
Any of you have any favorite rates? That's probably a Will question.
Yeah.
What's that favorite?
AGNC is good. AGNC looks good. As a potential.
REITs?
Yeah, REITs a REIT.
Yeah.
REIT.
I could give you a bunch. I love the REIT space from a more of a long-term portfolio perspective, but I like.
Well, what was the one that it started with a V, but it's old folks' homes?
Oh,
you know what I'm talking about. You got to know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of the one. I know that one you're talking. I like ADC, which is Agree Realty Corp. If we do get some more rate cuts, REXR, which is Rexford Industrial Realty. They have a lot of stuff in California, actually. That's another one that could have a nice pop. Realty income's good just for long term, very stable. I do like that on rate cut. I mean, REITs in general.
VTR. I think it's VTR.
Yeah, you might be right. Let me pull up some other ones that I got real quick. Kind of give you a list. The REIT space has been so beat up in the last 4 years.
Look at
it is the most underperformed.
Ventas.
Yeah.
What's up, Options Mike?
This is not going away.
Hey guys.
Senior living.
Yeah, the other ones I like in that space.
Wild.
WPC, which is WP Carey Inc. That's a good one. NNN is another REIT. Honestly, one of the best performers of the year that's done really well in the last quarter is like the mortgage REITs have been on fire. So like NLY, AGNC, those mortgage leverage.
That's what the agency. That's the one. Well, agency is just turning around. So like, look at today's move. Like, my God.
Yeah, those things have been. Those things have been.
Break.
If there's any support for the mortgage market, those things are going to do very well. And in a rate cutting environment, it would help them even more.
So this one,
because they are leveraged.
Duke agrees, evidently, from the other room.
Is that Mike? What's up, Mike?
How's it going, guys?
We're talking like old boomer stocks here.
I see that. I was like, oh, that's
the
kinda
crew is
weird.
day trading. I got the boomer stocks going. Actually,
Yeah.
like, good God, Home Depot. Whoa! The
Yeah, it's a
builders
weird
comeback.
It's a real weird market here today.
It is indeed,
It is.
man. The Mag 7 looks super weak, but it's just that specific cohort or group. It's like remember the death of Fang? It just went away, and then but everything else is fine.
But Intel is the
That's what
mother
I'm
of all
saying.
stocks.
Does Intel take over? That's what I was. This looks like last year or this 2025 was clearly a turnaround. It's a pivot year for Intel.
Like, let me help you here. I just had a nice meeting with the CEO of Intel. I used to hate him. Now I like him a lot. He's doing a great job. America's very happy to own the stock Intel's company.
Yes. I mean, but look at this. This is a squeeze on like all levels. From
I grabbed 20 contracts on it out of the gate today, and I have not made money on Intel like this, like I made today. I'm out now. But
the thing is up 8% today, but like look at forget about today though. Like broadly speaking, you're like, this is clearly a bearish to bullish reversal. I mean,
I was mad I missed the
clear
move
as
yesterday,
day.
the other day. I was really pissed off at myself because I kept looking at it like, it's Intel.
I
It's
know.
just full in
You
your
remember
face.
at $20, it took how long, right? At
Yeah.
$20, it took, I mean, multi months. But yeah, it's been a wild one. I think you got muted, but anyways, I'm thinking, we are thinking. I don't know. I did pick up my lipstick stock for 2026 just in case we do have that little pullback. But look at this Ulta chart. Like, my
Ulta.
God.
I was gonna say EL. I thought it was Estee
No,
Lauder.
look at Ulta.
Yeah,
This is
Estee
monthly.
Lauder's another one.
Oh, dude, I sold my Estee.
That thing's moonshotting again.
Really? Is it still?
Yeah.
112.
Okay. I mean, it's reversing.
Oh, that was
I
such
told
a.
it about here actually, so I'm okay.
God,
You know,
I did
women
not
in
see
beauty
that
is
one.
never a bad place to be because even during the pandemic when they got hit, they still were buying
But-
stuff and they still come back for it.
Yeah, I mean, but look at this Ulta chart. I mean, that's just a thing of beauty. Like on a yearly, this is a engulfing year last year, like a 12-month candle,
Yeah.
like new low and closed on the highs, and I have a continuation on the year. Like, yeah, that's crazy. But I don't know.
There was some flow earlier on EL. If you go to your
Oh my God, this Home Depot.
if you go to your weekly chart,
This is crazy.
there was a falling wedge breakout
Do I need to take
back
this
in
down?
May, and then you
Casey,
recently had a
look at
squeeze
this.
that fired on December.
Casey, look at this option I just grabbed from my FAFO Friday. It's $25.
You know
right
how
here.
small
It's
how
now
small that screen is
$200.
right now?
It's 1,000% return while we've been yapping. I'm just looking at it on my screen right here.
We can't
Like,
see it.
it's right here. It's like I'm telling you.
You
this
say
is,
it's right here, papers. There you go. There you go. That's
yeah,
all.
let me move it. It's right here, right from here, and it's still freaking going. It was like,
What is it?
dude, it's a 0 day, but I was just like, we're just yapping, so I'll do a little lotto. It's at $25. It's a HD 37250 call that's currently from $25. It's still going. It's now $200. It's almost
Depot and Lowe's are just
1,000%,
gonna
dude.
keep
And
going.
we're just yapping, and I'm just like, do.
Well,
It's
it's
gonna keep
this
going.
whole right.
And it's
Trump,
not stopping. I'm looking at this freaking chart.
well, Trump, whatever they're going to do on housing, or I don't know. I mean,
I have swings on this too, and I just rolled them, and I'm like, this is the 200 day we talked about. Like, I was like, can the depot hit the 200 day SMA today? There she is.
you know, the
Right
one
there.
thing that continues to bother me in this market is you had another, the jobs number were fairly weak today, right? Overall, especially the revisions, right?
Yeah.
And the market wants a rate cut, but I'm like, but then you come out and the administration comes out and says the
I got
economy is
it.
raging, GDP is growing ever so strong. Why do we need a plethora of rate cuts if the economy is so strong? I mean, it's like we're just going to superheat it if we're not careful here with that. And it's like, ugh.
What's interesting is the front end of the curve is going up in yield, and the back end of the curve actually faded.
Yeah.
So you had a little bit of flattening that happened today. I mean, if you look at the 30-year, we did spike up to just under 491, and we're currently trading 482. But the 2-year, if you look at the 2-year, that's actually rallied up about 3-4 basis points on the day, 4.6 basis points. So it's interesting you're getting some flattening in the curve.
Now Wednesday's the big day.
Oh, dude, it took me. All right, so I'm closing this. This is that's insane. I mean, it probably goes, but Jesus fuck. Anyways, that's how we roll.
By popping off your 5-minute 9, about to go make another new high. They're still buying these dips. RKT weekly squeeze did fire. You are hitting the resistance, but that was a beautiful freaking chart.
Oh, dude, it's going higher right now. What's happening?
Yeah, all those short setups failing because there's no delivery.
ONDS
Yes.
$1 billion offering today, and they ate it right up. Most of it warrants.
The monthly squeeze on RKT fired as well.
Dude.
See if NQ takes the highs. Still want to see ES get to all-time high.
Oh, ES hasn't done it yet?
Not on the contracts.
Oh.
Yeah, again, you could argue there's been a short setup on NQ, but I think it fails simply because ES has reason to trade higher. There's no reason for us not to.
Boom! Oh! Sorry.
Oh,
now you guys know why my voice.
I'm with it. Let's get hyped. Let's go.
Clean 10 bagger. Clean plus 1,000%, baby. On the day trade.
Couldn't agree more, Amp. School of Gains is amazing. Check with Paver on it.
Yeah.
Worth every penny. Made a huge difference in my profitability.
Okay. $25 to $240. This is
even Amp's bullish. Come on.
Fridays. Special situation, but we do play like this sometimes. Holy moly, mother.
SPY new high day. IWM equal high. Q's lower high so far, but
I know
still
that
looking good.
He's been hiding.
Dude, this is so crazy.
Once we take all-time highs on ES, I don't think we really stop there. Maybe intraday we could stop, but overall on the bigger time frame into next week, I don't think we stop at all-time highs until NQ gets to all-time highs too.
I was gonna say, like, Q's has so much room to go.
Exactly.
Like, that's just gonna let SPY, no ceiling above it, just let it keep
And
running.
I refuse to believe that we have an inside year.
So I refuse.
I refuse to believe that we have an inside year without taking previous years.
Oh, we could have a complete reversal year still, right?
What happens on Tuesday?
It starts by taking out the highs, right?
It starts by taking out the highs.
Yeah, you're right. You're talking about the tariff news.
Oh, earnings.
Or that.
Earnings season. Banks kick off on Tuesday morning.
Yep.
You know, I agree. I think the market's bullish, but, you know, depending on what they say and stuff like that, they'll give us a little ride.
Jesus Christ.
It's all going to be about the guidance. It really is. The guidance is going to be really important.
That's where me
I
and
can't imagine
we're so
similar.
similar.
I mean, Taiwan semi reports next week. After that numbers today, you know, they're going to do the same thing they always do: beat and guide up.
Wait, were some of you guys not on this?
TSM in a minute.
The day my PC fucks up about, jeez.
Oh, TSM looks
I
good.
turned HD way too early. No, I just letting it go. I just watching it on the screen. That's what we're doing. We're yapping. That's why I have these things over here. Anyways. Force Tessie over the 50. That could be another one. Case. I know you were on this earlier. That was
the one that's just stuck today is just NVIDIA just can't get it going.
ES new
If
high,
we had,
by the
if
way.
we had some
Damn it.
participation,
That
there,
was
we'd
like
really
the
be moving.
biggest trade P&L wise in a single trade for me.
Yeah, there's your high on
There you go.
ES.
Good shit.
NQ short setup, but I failed. Take out the highs real quick. Come on.
Are you using just /ES or are you using ES H26?
The contract, and I'm on micros.
Okay, because I'm using H26 right now because for whatever reason, especially on TOS, when the future contracts roll over, they do not align anymore. Their ES is off. So if you just hit /ES, it's no longer
Rocket
man. Yeah, I always go to the specific contract or ES1.
Man, it's lunchtime.
Yeah, it's lunch. We're in the middle of lunch.
There you go. Why am I not on lunch right now?
I think 7K's got to be a magnet. I just don't know if we get there today.
And I know a lot of people are probably like really listening to NDX and SPX up here, which you absolutely can do. Emp talks about that all the time. But something that is different from me to the people that do that is most of the time those people care very much about like the actual level that NQ or ES is at, where I don't care whether it's 900, I don't care whether it's an even level, I don't care whether it's 960, 26,000, whatever. The level doesn't matter. It matters where the highs and the lows are. The actual number irrelevant to me completely. So that's another thing with like when contracts roll over and stuff. That's why I don't look at NDX as much. I'll keep an eye on it when we're at all-time highs because it's nice to know that. But I don't need it because for the most part, it's just a difference in the actual number, not what the highs and the lows.
Yeah, the other thing when you're looking at SPX specifically, the reason I call it those levels is because obviously the bulk of your options activity in SPX is going to be based on those levels. So
of course, yeah. For sure.
Futures will trade around those levels as well. But when we're looking at the spot and we call SPX the cash market, you just got to be aware because there's a ton of options flow in SPX, especially on the institutional side and everywhere else.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not big on psychological levels. I'm not big on the number mattering too much. Psychological level or not, if we swept London lows out of an hourly for value gap, I'm bullish. Like, you know what I mean? So.
Yeah, they're definitely pushing the long end of the yield curve down. The 30-year bond has rallied quite a bit off the lows. 10 years a little bit more muted, but the curve is definitely flattening quite a bit. Seeing that 2-year yield continue to push, and the 30-year is coming in a bit.
Paper setting up a banger right now. Psychology levels are kind of a thing because they line up with option prices. It's that, and like the same thing with like something works when everybody looks at it. Like it'll work sometimes at least when everybody looks at it. And so like when everybody gets into trading, you're pretty much taught like, oh, well, especially like on an individual ticker that's about to hit $100 for the first time, that's a little different. But on NQ, you know, psychological level of like 100, 200, 300 level, it just like the only reason that really works out is because people are looking at it a lot, you know, and that's just not enough for me. But it might be for you, and you back test what you want to trade, right, and figure out what works. But that's why I'm not big on them. And like you see it, right? You see it. Like, do we ever respect psychological levels really perfectly? No. It's the same thing as like what I look for at my overnight levels. We break and
the market always undercuts or overthrows everything these days, right?
Absolutely.
They look for levels, and they always go above or below it, and then yank, you know, back the opposite direction because they're looking to get everybody to chase.
Yeah.
Yep. Exactly. That's why when we talk about support and resistance zones, for me, it's zones. It's not a specific level. It's an area.
For sure.
So you got to look at the area for support and resistance.
It's the area, and then, okay, what's the structure in that area?
Correct.
To set up for me. That's how I always look at it, for sure. But, you know, it's funny. It's cool. because you get to see so many different types of styles, especially being on like live. And there's some people that are like a little more on the top tick and bottom tick side that kill it as well, right?
They're building a floor on SPY at 6. They've been building a floor on SPY around 693 and 69.65 on SPX. And 625 on Qs. They're increasing some exposure on Qs closer up to 628 and 69.80 on SPX. So it's looking good for that slow grind higher. They're still buying these dips, holding the support, and trying to keep this thing moving up higher, in my opinion, to these next targets.
Emp said Rocket RKT is up 10% today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely.
Back for the high of the day here.
Thank you. Take out highs? I did. And that's where everybody that entered on that inversion gets stopped out intraday, wondering why the SMT didn't work out. It didn't work out because ES has no delivery from anywhere you're at. Basically all-time highs here.
ASTS looking good.
No one more.
I hope my boys Brent and
Lab
Tommy in
looks
the
good.
chat really pick up on that, because like you can literally just see the failed setups from a mile away. Everybody wonders, how do you see the failed setup on this style of trading? That's how. I mean, is there order flow supporting it or not? That's really the question that you have to ask yourself. If not, you don't want to look at it. Irrelevant. I need some more water. It was just an SMT, I know. But dude, watch. I'm gonna scroll TikTok today. Watch how many people, how many trade reviews
I'm gonna scroll
on TikTok.
TikTok.
I'm gonna see of ICT traders saying, "I took the SMT, bro. I took the inversion, and it failed." I watch how many.
Upside or downside.
I see this. It's so funny. Sometimes I get caught in it too. That always sucks when I have to make that video and I'm the one making the video. That always sucks. Where do you see Tesla going? I haven't. Let me look at Tesla. I mean,
Tesla's
I haven't really looked at it much.
8-day right here.
Tesla. Oh, this is what I saw this morning. We're getting a nice sweep of the previous week lows into weekly bullish order flow. I can show what I'm looking at on a chart later.
You can screenshot. I'm just taking around.
I'll share here. I'll share it real quick, and then I'll let you go.
Yeah, do it. No,
I'm
don't take my. I'm gonna take my screenshot just down.
Okay, bet. No worries. You're good.
Shopify.
It's all you.
Oh shit. Wait, what happened?
Could be.
Damn, that pool looks nice.
Oh yeah.
Looks so refreshing.
Hold on, now I can't.
Almost like it really isn't there.
What is looks?
I'm on the other side of the house, though. If you
Seven.
look, I'm on the other side of the house.
He is. Okay, here we go. So on Tesla,
It's the lunch hour, by the way.
This is what I see. It is the lunch hour. This is what I see. 50% retracement of the bigger time frame range to all-time high from these lows has been rebalanced too. So that's one reason for me to start leaning bullish. Doesn't mean just buy, but this is really what I'm looking at. Weekly order flow has been tapped into. It's tiny, doesn't matter how tiny. It is there. We sweat previous week lows, which is there. Now, you bump down to a daily chart because price is fractal, right? We're aligning time frames from weekly to daily now. Daily, we see a bearish fair value gap. It's extended up to here because you have this imbalance in price where we closed up here, or it would actually be here, excuse me, where we closed and then opened up. So you add that to whatever fair value gap you have ran. Long story short, if we inverse this, I'm quite bullish back to, I would say, the half back of this gap here. Where's the close? That's technically not it, but I would just run like that. So I'm waiting on Tesla. And if we can build structure down here, if we want to spend more time and not run through this to the upside and just go sideways here, that's fine. No worries. I could see that happening. But the point is I can't be bearish because previous week lows are being swept into weekly bullish order flow. There's no world where I can be bearish. I can only be looking for the upside now. Doesn't mean that we're just going to rip from here. Maybe we do. Maybe we run through this and get the closure I need. But it's more of a waiting game here for me. I'm waiting for that actual trigger now. So I'm looking at. If we run through this, I definitely want to see higher on Tesla. Can't be bearish with weekly levels like that. I just don't see it. So, and then to really be like initially, you could just mark out because once this week closes, this gap will form as well. That could be a very simple swing target. Like if you're swinging Tesla and you're looking, gosh, that's jumbled, and you are looking for higher into that range with the half gap that we have, that could be a great spot to be trimming. Of course, if we can run through that, it's even better. But that's really my thoughts and
Jordy,
what I'm seeing.
I'm almost out of drinks.
What are you almost out of?
Liquid death.
Oh, which ones do you drink? Do you drink the waters or the flavored?
At Costco, they had like a variety pack, and I bought them all out, and then they don't sell them anymore. So I don't know what else to get. I'm lost.
Paper.
Yeah.
They have new energy drinks. You got to try them.
Jordan.
Yeah, I got you, Will.
I just want to share this real quick, just so you can see.
They just released 4 new energy drinks. You got to try them.
These are this and
the sparkling waters. Yeah,
these guys.
I got the waters and the teas in the fridge, but I just ordered their new energy drinks, and so far so good. They're very similar to the sparkling waters.
Guys, just go ahead.
No, what's up, Will? You're good.
I'm just pointing out this trend line here from yesterday's high. You got 2 touches, and then you got another one right here. So just keep in mind where we are right here in relation to this. From here through this high, you're right against it here. So just cautious if you got. I'm not saying the internals are bearish or anything. I'm just saying watch that area right around 70.
Yeah.
You're right up against this trend line. So just
okay. There's a 0-day 450 call that Jordy's texting me about. It's less than $20 right now. And he's like, if it just pops up a little bit, like a couple of dollars, it's another 1,000% win. I'm like, Jordy, just relax.
Another foul.
Relax.
Another foul.
Oh God, it's going.
Oh! You know what I got? I don't have any liquid death, but I have a giant coconut water that's waiting for me in my fridge that I'm gonna grab.
Yeah, we're right on this trend line here, and no, it's hard to see. And just got a little divergent high here in momentum, so just watch this and then watch this just in case you fade off that level. Not saying you will. I'm just saying just a caution.
The bag 7 has been the best performers. bag 7s. I love it.
Oof.
Thing's
arm
massive.
back near the bottom of the range.
Dude, I keep
Bigger than
looking
my
at that
head.
stupid chart. That freaking arm chart, I swear, this thing is gonna it's either just gonna die, and it's dying a slow death, or
It's gonna die.
or it's setting up like the most ridiculous squeeze. But I don't think it's cheap. I don't think it's cheap.
It's not in the right place. It's just not what they're not doing anything in the AI space, so therefore they're useless.
They're useless.
They're cooked.
I think you're gonna see a 100 break on it, and you'll see that thing in the 80s next. Before
Jordy, did you just buy all those
higher.
options? Like seriously?
Oh yeah, you need to go
I bought them all.
75,000 just now? Contracts? What the fuck?
Yeah, you're just a little bit of running up into some divergent highs is all I'm pointing out. So if we do get a little rejection off this trend line, maybe
you guys want to know why Jordy's so bullish?
5-10 points lower.
What time is it? Oh yeah, I gotta go eat.
Jordy, do we do this or what?
Brother. Hey, man. Market's going higher. We haven't hit target. Full target has not been hit.
Too many trades.
Check out highs again.
QQQ double top.
Jordy,
Yep.
share my screen.
Right here on SPX. I don't know in Qs.
Yeah. Just intraday is the double top, just shy of Wednesday's high.
Yeah. I think it's just SPX stalling right here at this trend line. That's kind of what I think. And you got a little bit of a divergent momentum. Like I just pointed out, you're getting a little bit of a wiki candle on the 15, which is about to close.
I was just about to say the 15-minute is about to close. Not too great. Your 30-minute so far as well. I mean, it's halfway through it. If it continues the way that it is, you can see a little retracement.
Yep. Yeah, I'm where I'm pulling that from, guys, is I'm just taking those highs on the daily and trying to connect these highs, right? Here. Yes, 2 days ago, there's your high, and then that
Is that
trend
new
line
high on
right
Intel? Intraday? What the fuck?
Intel.
Yeah,
is a
INTC
multi-year
is new highs.
So just watch this for.
Yeah.
Yes.
Watch Trump's next statement. I decided to sell all my Intel stock. You know, we're longer like stock.
Maybe he's gonna buy BMNMR.
I'm up 111% on Intel shares right now. After averaging up a little bit from the 19.23 entry. Let's go.
Wow. Halfway through the lunch hour. Mita.
Intel.
Okay. All right. I think we'll. Dude, I should not be playing stupid shit right now.
I hate
what Jordan has me doing right now.
I find this time of day so freaking dangerous.
Yeah,
Where
100%.
you get some liquidity breaks here and there. They're usually small. I mean, the tape's not that aggressive.
Yeah, and this
Like
tape
we're gonna get
in a very stubborn pattern now for a couple months. It get a burst out of the gate for about a half an hour to 45 minutes, and then it likes to go into.
The volume starts really dying off after the first
Yeah.
hour and a half. It seems to just the volume dies out.
Yep. Just
Because like even you look
Oh
here,
my
like
God.
look,
Sorry.
look at where value. I mean, look at where your POCs, your high. I mean, it's close. I mean, you kind of got a double distribution, like kind of here, and then a little bit higher. But I mean, most of your volume's still down in the 80s from this morning. So this is a little bit more thin structure up here. Maybe here's your 9, which, like I said, if you got a 4 or 5 point pullback off that trend line, here's your next kind of high volume areas, like 98, 99.
All the way back to VWAP. They love to do that this time of day.
Yep.
Hey, Jordy's up. Jordy's up a double on it.
It's a double.
God.
Tesla highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tesla's
And then
continuing to
Casey's
push.
over here DMing me about a Meta 655 0 DTE, and I'm like, bro, it's too much.
I'm already in it.
Opening range.
I'm already in
I'm
it.
just gonna say, dude, I'm like, that just doubled.
Bro, how is it only about to be 1 p.m. Eastern?
Tesla,
Hey, bro, it's only 10
445 calls
o'clock.
for
Dude.
January 16 coming in. Sizable
Yeah.
sweep of $7 million just dropped.
No, you like if I shared my screen on Tesla, it actually looks perfectly fine.
I mean, look at this NVIDIA just cannot. It's just stuck.
There's
Like,
no
we
way
got-
there's this much time left.
Yeah. Q's at the highs. Okay.
But look at Avgo today.
I was looking at that because I'm thinking, like, dude, if there's legitimate like Mag 7 failure, right? Clearly they want Intel again. So who's the next one? It's Broadcom.
Well, I mean, that
And-
report was fabulous. They got punished because they didn't issue year-long guidance. I mean, that was just one of the stupidest things I saw. That getting punished like that.
Is that why?
Yeah.
I thought it was the PE.
No.
Like just
Well,
whatever.
maybe. But I mean, it was they didn't issue year-end
Holy
year-one
smokes.
guidance.
Oh, Reddit. RDDT.
What is this?
Oh,
Reddit has been in a channel up for like the last week.
no.
Would
Reddit's,
it just broke
yeah.
down?
What the hell happened to Reddit?
It's breaking down. It's about to hit daily trend line support, but intraday, I don't know what happened.
It's top of the squeeze down.
You know,
Yeah, Reddit just.
everybody should be thinking
That's
about.
news, dude. That's got to be news.
I'm trying to find it. I'd be interested down here at 237.
Something people need to realize: there's going to be a lot of big IPOs potentially this year, and they're going to suck money out of the market out of stocks.
Do you know which one the IPO
Yeah.
I'm waiting for, Mike, is Ripple Labs to short the crap out of XRP? Because the second that Ripple Labs says we actually don't have anything to do with XRP, the token, it's just gonna be devastation.
Well, you got SpaceX is supposed to IPO this year. OpenAI is supposed to IPO this year.
Yeah.
The other Perplexity, possibly. A lot of these AI names are looking to IPO possibly this year. Discord again is saying they might IPO this year.
Short.
Short, actually.
But I mean,
100%. I can't wait to short the shit out of that stock.
but these things will pull money out of some of your favorite stocks because funds will be selling those so they can buy into these.
Correct.
BBC Acorns computers were ARM. They own a lot of IP. Yeah.
And we could use some IPOs because, man, it just feels like I'm trading the same names all the time lately. It's just less and less names to trade. So many acquisitions and mergers or bankruptcies.
Wait, are they saying the HT is still running? Get out of here. I don't even. Oh, there goes the. Oh my God. They're not saying that. No shot.
RDDT spread there.
Yeah, no, I took the highs on Home Depot today. Today she done. Let her breathe. Get out of there. But Meta, 655 zero DTs have just gone from $25 to $45. The Tessie ones that Jordy kept yapping at me about at the breakout highs have gone from 17 cents to 37 cents. I don't know, $37, $40 here. And climbing. I don't know. Just cheapies, man. Play money, lunch money.
Look at Tesla.
Yeah. Jordy was
riding
like,
the
I'm
nine.
just trying to take my McDonald's budget and like go to like the steakhouse tonight. That's it. Already
Yeah.
did it once.
I like it.
Pretty much. Pretty much.
I
Is it
like
Happy
it.
House. Happy House. Happy House is expensive. If you're not long Avgo, you're a loser.
What's
Google
the
kinda-
headline on RDDT if there is one?
I didn't see one, dude. I couldn't find it. I looked. Google kind
And
of.
what the fuck is going on with AMC?
Dude, get out of there.
Who cares?
Oh,
Get
God,
out of
it's
there.
a
You can keep your
$1.40 stock.
What are they trying to do to this thing today? What the hell?
No rug them later. Hold on.
Oh yeah, here, go ahead. Look, let's sell some options right here on it.
I ain't selling options on a dollar stock. I'll pass.
Not even
Talk
put,
about it
man.
right here. It's gonna forget to sell down. All right, daily trend line right here, RDDT, and your daily 21 is at like 235.3. Decent bounce spot, but that is a insane daily candle. I mean, minus 7% on Reddit.
Tesla's still
Yeah,
pushing.
it's gotta be news.
Yeah, Tesla now up 2.5%.
I left my Tesla
Um,
rolls too early today.
I know it just entered him. Jordy just like literally twisted my arm right now.
This thing might fill that gap at 450.
That was the
451.
strike that we were talking about. Gelato.
You got what? Tuesday's high right here.
It's the 50-day right now.
up,
You can squeeze it.
and then over that, yeah, 450. Just
You're above the 50. You're right at the.
You're
at
like
the
just
daily 9.
now breaching the 50. So it could squeeze it just to the 20.
Oh my God.
right?
GME's running, Casa's running. They're back. Oh, Wall Street Bets is back.
Dude, Will.
Let's
So the
fucking
20 on
go.
Tesla today is 462, which means that if Jordan's $1 million bet was 75,000 call options that he just bought when we were talking about it,
He did. If he did a 75K lot today,
did you see that
sign
come
off.
through?
Yeah, I
mean,
did see that. That was big.
So I mean,
Here you got right here's the
20. We play this SMA ping pong. That's $1,000 contract on a 0-day option from $20. I don't know. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, you got the
I
9.
can't
I have
believe
the 9 and the 21
He's
EMAs, and you got
look at him.
446.45, 451.53 as your 21.
There she goes.
I'm about to get the giveaway all set up, so we'll get the winner going on that soon.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
I'm gonna do a quick lunch break, and I'll see you guys in a few.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna pull my.
I'm gonna go get some lunch and I'll be back.
Catch you guys later. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Peace out.
see options, Mike.
Peace, Mikey. Good talking to you again, man.
What website works best for this? I think this will work.
It's still going though. Fuck. I don't have a reason to. Hold on. I can't leave until it like at least takes a breather. Fuck.
A breather? Oh, it's on me. Hello.
50.
It's giveaway time, folks. We're gonna
Okay.
pick the winner right now. Hopefully they're on stream. I kind of wish we did that a little differently because there may have been plenty of people that commented and entered that are not hanging out with us, but we'll figure it out. So if you haven't entered yet, you should probably enter real quick before I get this all picked, and I think this website does.
What are we giving away?
We're just giving away a funded account, baby.
How many dollars? How many dollars?
$50K.
How many dollars? $50,000
$50,000 account
minimum. I was gonna call our boys over at Vanquish and see, like, dude, my crew is all options, so I kind of want to give away, like, what is it? I don't $10,000 to the accounts to some people later.
You should. If you didn't enter, you guys can enter right now. Just go to the X account.
Oh my God!
Go to Wolf Trading.
Jordy,
make sure you're following.
I knew
the
it was an early ass trim.
Did it go?
Dude, I was fucking. Ah!
Damn it!
Wait. Let me. You're doing a series. No. Oh wow.
How do I do? Okay, give away
60 from 20. Hey, we do this all the time. Sometimes we try to do this all the time. Sometimes it works. Oh my God, Jordan!
Oh boy!
Look at my screen. Like, look at this option that I'm playing with right now.
Your screen's not. Oh wait.
This is sick. It's literally right here. So like, yo, it's still going. Make it stop. Oh my Jeebus. This guy.
Links in the chat for if you want to go to the tweet to enter, or you can literally just go to Wolf Trading on the timeline. Find it there.
Bro. 300%. Do it again.
Fuck.
No. I can't take it anymore. I want to go and get some food. Jordy, share your screen.
Okay.
This is just gross. It's still going. I'll just let you know when it's 500%.
Oh.
Or 1,000. No, this was more than 1,000%.
Will Jordan be making a new post, or is it an old one? It's the post that I have up on the screen right now that we posted probably 2 days ago on Wolf Trading. I put the link for it in the chat, so you can easily find it.
I'm kind of glad that you twisted my arm about this trade, though.
Yeah.
Do you like that? Oh,
like,
God damn.
Tag 2 traders.
I'm cursing on my channel. It's still going. Hey, $17 to $80. I mean, it's like, what is the steakhouse around there? Alexander's to 90 and climbing. Oh, Vanquish wouldn't let me keep this though, probably.
And make sure that you guys,
I don't know what's going on here.
For the giveaway, make sure you guys are indeed following the Wolf Trading X account, because if you're not, the system will see that and you won't get picked. So just make sure. Same with if you don't like and retweet, make sure you do this. I'll give you guys a few more seconds to enter real quick, and then I'll get this going.
You can take. Oh, it doesn't cost me. I gotta take. Jesus Christ. Okay. All right. I'll leave some. I don't even care what happens.
Heard that.
If I leave and I leave this stream connected, will it stay connected to until you close it?
Wait, what do you mean? Sorry, say that again.
I'm going to disconnect. Drop the link in the shit.
If you leave, it'll
DM
disconnect your stuff.
Oh, it will.
Unless you
DM me the link in Discord really quick.
Got it. 1 second.
Oh, Mama's calling. Hey. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be ready. Okay.
I'll DM it to you right now. Let's open in Discord. And then we'll pick this winner. Hello, Discord?
Not the restream link, the YouTube.
Just the YouTube link.
Yeah, so I
Got
can
it.
put it in my chat
Got it.
so they can find you.
My Discord is taking a hell of a time to open. Just give me a second. There we go. All right, where's paper? There you go. It's in your DMs.
Got it.
All right, y'all. All right, we ready?
Yeah.
If you're not entered already, it's about to be too late. Make sure you're entered. I'm about to pick the winner. Let's see. Who is getting a 50K eval today, huh?
Hey.
Let's see. I've never used this actual website, so we'll see how this one works. I've used one similar before, though.
All right, guys. Good luck.
Trade D.
Ooh.
Mr. Wizzo 5. I hope this person is on the stream. See, it's a little tough.